Hello my friends, and in this video we'll take a closer look at this 2013 Nissan Sentra SR. It is equipped with keyless entry and the electronic key that allows you to lock and unlock the door simply by pressing the button on the handle while carrying the key in your pocket. Door handle equipped with controls for your power locks and power windows, with one touchdown feature on the driver's side. It has a black interior with premium sport cloth seats and silver color plastic accents. The vehicle equipped with an electronic key and a push button start, so just keep your key in the pocket, put your foot in the brake and the push button to start. The gauge cluster is very simple, with the speedometer on the right and the tachometer on the left and the driver's information displays in the middle. The vehicle is also equipped with the color touchscreen display of the Nissan Connect system that includes AM/FM and Sirius XM radio, CD and MP3 navigation. It also displays the view from the rear view camera with guidelines. Heat and air conditioning controls down below, and the leather-wrapped shift knob of the continuously variable transmission. 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel with audio controls on the left and the cruise control on the right as well. And here by the driver's left knee you will find the controls of the outside power mirrors, trigger for the trunk and switches for different drive modes. And also on this SR model you will find the power sunroof and the rear view integrated compass. And this is it for the driver's seat. Now let's open the hood and check out the engine. This 2013 Nissan Sentra SR, equipped with 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine with variable valve timing that produces 130 horsepower and 128 pound-feet of torque. MPGs are 30 in the city and 39 highway. This SR model also has the halogen headlights with LED accents and LED taillights as well. The wheels are 17-inch alloys with 4-wheel disc brakes, front ventilated and rear solid, with anti-lock braking system and tire pressure monitoring system. And now let's check out the back seat. And from the first sight you can notice there's a lot of legroom. Not even every mid-size sedan can offer that much of a legroom. And here my height is 6'2", and sitting right behind myself, this is how much of the legroom I have. And finally the trunk. It's pretty good size, it's tall, with 40-60 proportion collapsible back seat and a compact size spare tire under the floor. And as you can notice here, the trunk lid has this rear spoiler with integrated LED stoplight. Alright guys, that's all I have about this 2013 Nissan Sentra SR. I hope you like this video, leave your comments below, visit my channel for more and see you next time.